Hello everyone, good afternoon. So our project is fence post extractor as you can see. Our team members are me, Kikong and Jianxi. So I'd like to give you a brief description about this product. This is a manually operated product and one person can operate it. It is made out of like stainless steel and by pushing it we can take it anywhere. So this product can remove up to 30 to 40 pounds of weight in poles, fence poles. So next slide, Janshi. Our main goal was the product to be safe and affordable to the customers. And as you can see, others are the other goals. So next slide. Going on to the next slide is the project scope. When it comes to removing fence poles, people go through various difficulties such as safety and the poles being heavy to lift. So by designing this, we expected to like solve all these difficulties and to remove fence poles effortlessly. We have seen people getting hurt by using other fence pole extractors because of the pole hitting the operator once it's removed. So we designed a product that won't hit the operator once the pole is removed, and with you can remove the fence poles with effortlessly. Uh, yes, kick on.
Okay, thank you, Vidu. In this slide, I'm going to talk about the mind map. Before we start our design, we plan to focus on 6 main categories, which are stability, power, safety, maintenance, cost, and transport. Each of them, we come out with 3 or 4 ideas. Here, we focus on needs and specifications. We evaluate the importance of each one by using number 1 to 10. As you can see, the cost and the lifetime of the product are the highest. The dimension is an essential figure as well. According to this, let's move to next slide. There are 4 main and necessary needs and solutions. For convenience, by the restriction to dimension, we make it eligible to operate and transport. For cost, we choose to use cheap and reliable material, such as stainless steel. For safety, by the usage of double clip structure, the post will not fall down and avoid injury to anybody. For lifetime, the manual winch design is a simple structure, but the most reliable one. Here I'm going to show you operation recommendations. After extraction, the pole will not hit anyone. Children must be away from operation. Check pots are stable regularly and stored in a dry and flat warehouse to avoid from falling and rusting.
Okay, it's my part. In this part, our team found that the design post extractor needed to solve and meet several problems, as shown in the slide. In addition, there are other problems, such as how to increase to the server's life, reduce possible accidents during use, and speed up work efficiency. Next slide. First, let's look at the bill of material part. Our team chose to use stainless steel to make the post extractor, except the well part use the rubber. The manufactured weight is relatively light for users, which is conducive to transportation and the use of post extractor. Next slide. Look at the energy consumption. It can be seen from the figure that the energy consumed in manufacturing post extractor every year is 1.28 million joules per year. And the next slide is the carbon footprint map. It can be found that the annual carbon dioxide produced by the post extractor is 95.8 kilogram per year. And next is Jiangxi, please.
Okay, thank you, Kikong. Here is the work breakdown structure. This is based on the mind map. As you can see, the sum of each level is 100. By breaking down each categories, we rate every single idea by the importance in design process and daily use. The next one is meeting time templates, which show the details of every meeting between us. This is a Gantt chart. This is more like a time allocation for our design. 3 colored rows show 3 different stages. As you can see, we contribute most of the time on researching and modeling. Here is the house of quality. This is the combinations of custom requirements and functional requirements. After our evaluation, we give out the figure between 1 to 10 to show importance of each one.
Okay, in terms of patents, our team design refers to the team works that have designed a poster extractor before, such as the poster extractor invented by Duan et al. In this slide, which use the lever principle. In the next slide, the poster extractor design of Rick and Woodenville also adopts the lever principle. Both designs focus on the use of a lever to save the consumed force. After and the next slide, after observation and reference, our team gave both birth to design concept of this slide. Hinge can be used to replace levers to save more force. And the next slide is the video, please.
Thank you, Kikong. So, Jianxin, next slide, please. Yeah. So, as Kikong told you before, we had three design concepts. So, one is these are the hand sketches of the design. So, first is the winch design, second is the tripod design, and third is the lever design. So, in the tripod design, we use three metal poles to use as tripods, and then by using a uh, string attached to the metal poles, we pull the fence pole out. And when it comes to the lever design, we attach a string to the fence pole and the lever. And by pushing the lever towards the ground, we extract the fence pole. Janji, next slide, please. So this is our final design, and on the left side you can see the all the parts there, and the second slide and the right on the right you can see the final design. So on top is the pulley, and on behind is the winch. I'll show you in the next slide. Yes. So these are some of the different slides you can see. And you might be wondering why the second clip is not attached to the main body. So it's actually a design that Jianxi made. So when the string from the winch goes on top of the pulley, and the string is supposed to attach to the fence pole. So we attached a clip to the fence pole, and then we attach the string to the second clip. So by pulling from the winch, we extract the pole. So in order for the string to not go towards anywhere, we put the string from the middle of the first clip. So that's how we extract the pole out. Slide. So as you can see, these are the materials and dimensions of our product we used. Yes, Jianxi, I think you're next.
Okay, my part. Finally, the poster extractor designed by our team meets the requirements of safety, transportation, use cost, and service life. And the next slide, Jianxi.
Okay, now I'm going to evaluate our team performance. Firstly, our communication is great and effective. Everyone keeps in touch with others at all times. Secondly, the time management is clear. Everyone finished their job step by step, which is fabulous. Thirdly, after our hard working, we complete the project successfully. This is related to everyone's cooperation and collaboration. So, thank you for listening and hope you like our design.
All right, thanks very much. Please join me in just join me in congratulating the team for doing the projects. And right, so this is open for questions. Please go on, ask your questions. Questions. Questions? If there is no question, I can let the next group start.